To set up and install the Eats365 POS, first, connect your iPad to a stable internet connection to avoid network issues while setting up. Next, set up your iPad in the correct time zone to ensure that all orders go through at the correct time and interval upon activation of the POS. Once your iPad is ready, download the Eats365 POS app from the Apple App Store or scan the QR code on the screen. Next, activate the Eats365 POS. Open the Eats365 POS app. You'll need to enter your merchant ID. You can find the merchant ID from the Merchant Portal dashboard, or if you are a first-time user, this is available in the invitation email sent to you. Tap Activate with Merchant ID. Enter your merchant ID, then tap Get Activation Code. To ensure that you get your activation code, choose Email. Enter the activation code, then tap Activate. You've now successfully installed the Eats365 POS. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content that helps you make the most of our services.